Hello there, we just got done watching Despicable Me 4. This came out in 2024. It is rated PG. It is a animated adventure comedy. This is Gru, Lucy, Margot, Edith, and Agnes welcome a new member of the family, Gru Jr., who is intent on tormenting his dad. Gru faces a new nemesis in Maxime Lamal and his girlfriend Valentina, and the family is forced to go on the run. This is a 94-minute movie. I thought it was pretty cute. I've seen all of the ones in this series, and I thought that this held up to the rest of them.
The franchise.
Thought it was pretty cute, and story was active, adventurous,
different from their others.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I liked it. I would easily give this a 4 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, it's a good 4 one.
Especially if you're a fan of the brand and the series and all that. I think that you would enjoy this. If you've seen Despicable Me 4, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen this movie, have you seen any of the movies in this series and of this brand? Let me know down below. I will see if I can link it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.